Hello, this is Moody Al-Shahabi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel focuses on graphic design elements and Windows hacks. You'll find playlists here for Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, After Effects and Premiere Pro, as well as some small programs as an asset to your graphic design addiction. I'll be passing on my 13 years of graphic design experience through this channel. We've got tutorials on a weekly basis, also offering tools and resources for you such as filters, brushes, actions, scripts, and presets for your workflow convenience. Perfection and elegancy are my mottos. I uploaded my first tutorial in May 2020 and I'm planning on keep going for as long as I can go. Feel free to drop me a message for any suggestions or inquiries. Thanks for stopping by. Moody.